ULT-unite electronic technology was established in 26. Our company is a self- and R&D source manufacturer. So far, more than 17 years of production and development experience. Our company covers a area of 41,400 square meters, a semi-dust-free workshop of 22,000 square meters. Our company mainly produces high-end computer wire and digital accessories. For example, HDMI cables, DP cables, USB data cables, ADAT cables, USB-C hub, and so on. Our company certification system had USDIF members, HDMI Association members, RESA Association members. The company's products has part of CE, SCC, ROS, and third-party certification. More than 100 products define appearance, utility model certificate. Management system pass ISO 9001 and 2015 quality management system and IATF 16949 quality management system for automotive industry. More than 30 professional production lines, more than 130 injection molding equipment, and 409 large production. The daily production capacity is 30,000 pieces. Annual sales rate 100 million yuan. Dongguan factory mainly R&D define simple, frozen and small batch product. The factory in Sichuan are mainly mass production. Our company have 2 factories located in Dongguan and Sichuan province. Our wire is sold to all countries around the world. Welcome customers to field investigation. Look forward to long-term cooperation with you.